State whether the following quadratic equations have two distinct real roots. Distinct real root. So we are looking at what value of d? D to be greater than 0. So we have two equations over here, x square minus root 2 the whole square minus 2 times of x plus 1. First we need to simplify this, only then we can talk about the nature of roots. We have to make use of a minus b the whole square, which is equal to so on and so forth. So I'm not going to write that. We have a square minus 2ab plus b square, and then the next term will be 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, something to simplify. We can square and square root, we can cancel this. We have plus 2 minus 2, they get cancelled as well, and we are left out with x square minus 2 root 2x minus 2x is equal to 0. We have x common over here, so x square minus 1 into 2 root 2 plus 2 into x is equal to 0. Does that make sense? Right, we have minus 1, the remaining terms coefficients are this and x. So we basically took minus 1 and x common, and the remaining part is this. I hope that's okay. And now on to figuring out d value, which is b square minus 4ac. In this case, what is b? In this case, b is equal to minus 1 2 root 2 plus 2. That is the coefficient of x. Then what is a? A is 1. And what is c? C is 0. It's no constant term, is it not? And then we have b, which is square of minus 1 2 root 2 plus 2 the whole square. Square of anything is greater than 0. This implies roots are what? Yes, real and unequal. Okay, so that's how you figure out the answer. So what did I do? I didn't simplify this. This is a funda. This is what I wanted to show you guys. I might end up with a complicated expression, but I know the square of any real number, this is a set of real numbers, will be more than 0. The square of any real number will be more than 0. This is what I wanted to show you guys. Okay, pretty much every question is almost the same thing. The same pattern is repeating, the same formula and same thing. So difference being the numbers. I'm just getting you guys used to the numbers and different scenarios. Okay, we have the question number B. Again, here too we can see roots and so on and so forth. So here what is A? A is root 2, B is minus 3 by root 2, and C is 1 by root 2. And we have D, which is equal to B square minus 4 AC, and then we have root and root getting cancelled. This is 9 by 2 minus 4. I hope you guys understood why is it so. See, a by b whole to the power of n is a to the power of n by b to the power of n. So if I square the numerator, I have plus 9. If I square the denominator, I have 2. So this is clearly more than 0. This is 4.5 minus 4, which is more than 0. So this implies roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal roots. So what is the question? Right, state whether, yes. I think, yeah, there's nothing more to write actually. I was about to write, yes, the roots are real and unequal, but I've already written that. Okay, quite simple, but again, the funda over here is, I want you guys to understand the exponent part, understand how to handle roots. If not, it's the same thing again and again. Okay, learn when to not to calculate. Right, so you have a real number, real expression, square of real expression is always positive. If you want to be careful, square of any real number is positive. You can write that as well if you want to be careful. Pakka, this is enough. Okay guys, yeah, now you can pause and have a look at the answer.